Welcome all of you in e-learning classes of Department of Panchkarma. Today topic is Snehan Karma part first. We will learn about why Snehan Karma or Abhyang in this lecture. In this topic, we will learn about criteria for selection of patients suitable for external Snehan Karma, standard operation procedure of external Snehan Karma, Abhyang varieties with indications and rationality. Panchkarma mainly divided in three steps. First step is Purv Karma, pre-procedure. Second one is main procedure, and third one is post-procedure Sansajan Karma. Purv Karma divided in two parts. First is Snehan Karma, second is Swedan Karma. Snehan Karma further divided into two parts, internal oleation and external oleation. Swedan has many types like 13 types and 10 types. We will learn about Swedan in next classes. Introduction of Snehan Karma. The Snehan is a first procedure to be performed before Sodhan Karma. The entire procedure of Sodhan Karma depends upon the proper mobilization of morbid dosage from the Isakha to Koshtak. As per Charak, Vidya Vishandat Pakat, Sroto Muk Vishodhanat, Sakha Mukta Malakoshta Bayo Nigrahat. It is to be achieved with the help of Snehan and Swedan therapy. Target organs. Skin and muscles is the mainly targeted organ in the external oleation. Skin is a root of various substances and considered as a transepidermal root. According to Ayurveda, skin is the seat of Vata and Brajakpitta. According to modern physiology, the skin functions as an enormous sense organ. Its millions of nerve endings serve as receivers for the body. Specialized receptors make it possible for body to detect sensation of light, touch and pressure as well as pain, heat and cold. Massage soothes the two master system of the body, the nervous system and another endocrine system mainly. Nervous and endocrine system are seen as communication system connecting all cells with information about what is happening in the body. Skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles is the only voluntary muscle tissue in the human body. It is controlled consciously. Every physical action that a person consciously performs, like speaking, walking, writing, require skeletal muscles. The function of skeletal muscles is to contract to move part of the body closer to bone that the muscle is attached. Most skeletal muscles are attached to bone across a joint, so the muscles serve to move part of those bone closer to each other. In this diagram, you can see the different types of muscles and its structure. Muscles are the anatomical target in Abhyang. The muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. Muscles is usually attached by tendons to the bones. Mostly pain is associated with musculoskeletal system and originate from muscles which remain contracted even in their relaxed state. Abhyang Karma bring back its natural state by improve the functioning of musculoskeletal system, clear the stiffness and heaviness of the body and leads to feeling of lightness. Abhyang Karma. Apart from daily regime, Abhyang is also practiced as one of the main treatment procedure. This is decided by the physician and carried out by very well trained and experienced therapist. It is also practiced as a preparatory part of Panchkarma procedure like Vaman, Virechan, Sashtiksali, Pind Swedan, etc. It is especially carried out as a main treatment procedure in various diseases like neuromuscular disease, hemiplegia, osteoarthritis, sciatica, motor neuron disease, etc. Definition of Abhyang. Abhyang means applying oil and lightly massage the body. Normally, lukewarm til or coconut oil are used for massage all over the entire body before bathing. It can be beneficial for maintaining health and used as a medicine for certain disorder. Indications of Isnean therapy. The person indicated for Isnehana are who have to undergo Swedan and Sodan therapy, those who have indulged more in wine and exercise, person having Raktachay and Sukrachay, who are suffering with Vata disorder and eye diseases like Avishan and Timir, old person, children, debilitated persons. As Charak described in Sutristan, Svedya Sodhatabhyascha Rukshavat Vikarana Vyayam Mad Istri Nitya Isneyashu Ye Chintaka. Now the contraindications of Isnehan therapy. The person should be avoided undergo Isnehan or who have increased level of cough and meda immediately after performing Nasya Basti and Virechan Karm. Person who are sthula and even very krish, who are suffering from problems like Trishna, Murcha, Talu, Sos, Aruchi, Chardi, Ajeen, Atishar, Urushthamb, Jalodara, etc. Properties of Sneha Dravya. All Sneha Dravya having Prithvi and Jal Mahabhut Pradhan. Sneha Dravya has Tikshna, Vyavai, Sukshma, Vishad, Guru, Sar and Vikasi properties. The examples of some Sneha Dravya are cow ghee, til oil, arand oil. Nirukti of Abhyang. The word Abhyang consists by two words Abhi plus Ang. The meaning of this word is some motion. External Snehan or Abhyang depends upon prakriti of disease and diseased person. Those predominance Ritu like Ushna, Sita, Varsa and Des means Desasya Pune Bhumir Aturasya means which part of body has affected and where each patient live. Methods applied for Abhyankar. First of all, physicians should have to make very friendly and gentle to the patients. Atmosphere of the therapy room should be quite restful, soothing, breeze-free, dim-lighted and should have relaxing music. In case of child patients, rooms should be decorated with toys and cartoon posters. This helps to relax patient in room, therefore they can stay for little more time. Physician should be much aware during giving Abhyankar. This helps to notice discomfort immediately. Physician should wear protective clothes, should not wear any article in hands. Half sleeves coat is advisable to wear the therapist. Hygiene is important part during the Abhyankar. Abhyang should be started with clean and warm hands. Before going to start the Abhyang, it should be necessary to ask the patient undress so that body parts are adequately uncovered. Then the all area which are going to be treated should be examined. Bed should be comfortable and of solid surface covered with fresh linen or plastic sheets. Abhyang procedure. Warm the oil to a pleasant temperature by placing them in a warm water bath. Oil should always be applied warm to the body. Start by applying the oil to head and gently massage the oil into scalp using fingers and palms. Gently apply the oil to face and neck, front and back. Massage in the direction of the hair follicles, allowing the oil to cover the body evenly. Massage the arm and legs, paying attention to the joints and palms. Use long, even strokes along the length of limbs in the direction in which the hair flows. When performing Abhyang on the joints, use a circular motion. Massage to back of the body, starting from the base of the spine and work upward in long, continuous strokes. Lastly, massage the feet. Take some time doing this as the feet contain many important nerves. When massaging the feet, be sure to apply the oil to the entire foot, taking care to get the between the toes. Use the palms of your hand to massage the sole of the feet with a firm pressure. Steps during Abhyang Karma. There are 7 steps during Abhyang Karma. First one is sitting position. Second one is lying supine position. Third one is right lateral position. Fourth one is back or prone position. Fifth is left lateral position. Sixth is lying supine position. Seven and last is sitting position. You can see this picture. This is the first position is sitting. This is second position lying or supine position. This is third steps of Abhyang is right lateral position. You can see in this picture. You can see in this picture this is the fourth step, back or prone position. This is the fifth steps, left lateral position. You can see in this picture. You can see in this picture this is the sixth steps lying on back supine position. This is last or sitting position. This is the seventh steps. You can see in this picture. Time for reaching Sneha Dravya in various level in the body. First one is Rom Coop, hair follicles. It takes 300 matra, about 65 seconds. In skin, the massage time is 400 matra or 133 seconds. In blood, the massage time is 500 matra or 160 seconds. Fourth is mass muscles. It can take 600 matra or 190 seconds. In Meda Dhatu, it can take 700 matra or 228 seconds. In Asti Dhatu, the massage time is 800 matra or 260 seconds. And in Majja Dhatu, it will take 900 matra or 300 seconds. So this is the as per Dullard. Abhyang and Dosa. In Vad dos, the Abhyang should be done by Dasmul Tel, Bala Tel, Narayan Tel. Pressure during massage should be the moderate type, not very hard and gentle. To check the status of pressure, physician should have to see the expression of patient during the process. Normal location of Vad dos is its lower part and it always moving in random direction or downward direction. If bath is trapped in the tissue system, then it cause problem. Therefore, to regulate its normal route of flow, the Abhyang direction should be downwards or away or opposite to the heart. This type of massage is a stroking manipulation which intend to obtain a sensory reaction, either sedative. In Pitta dosa, massage should be done by Chirvala tel, Chandanadi tel, Chandanbala Lakshadi tel. Because excess friction may generate heat, therefore pressure and force should be cause of Pitta Vriddhi. Gentle stroking is recommended in Pitta dosa. In Ayurveda, Pitta is corresponding to Agni. Naturally, Agni goes upward, so to enhance the function of Pitta or to regulate the Pitta dose, upward movement toward the heart or distal to proximal direction of massage movement is preferable. Gently 30 minutes is sufficient for adult and 10 to 20 minutes for children. Normally 125 ml is suggested for Sarvang Abhyang in adults and 75 to 100 ml may be applicable for children. In cough dose predominance, massage can be done with Dasmuladi tel, Sachuradi tel. During Abhyang, more pressure is required because, as is assumed, as Guru dosa can accumulate in the vessel. Therefore, to dissolve this accumulation, hard type of manipulation is necessary. The direction should be opposite to the lymph circulation. Effleurge type of massage for cough prakriti person is mainly intended to assist venous and lymphatic drainage. Therefore, direction of manipulation is preferable from distal to proximal direction. Normally, 40 minutes is proper for adult abhyang. In children, 30 to 35 minutes may be sufficient. As oil is snigged and cough also is snigged, therefore, minimum amount of oil is recommended as may be 60 to 75 ml.